Yo, what's going on, guys? It's been a very long time since I uploaded a video on YouTube, but here I am. I told my Instagram peoples that I would upload a video breaking this trade down because, yes, I did enter the GJ shorts, and now I am doing that. So, this is going to be a very short video, no longer than, let's say, 5 minutes, max 7 minutes. So, let's get into it. GJ, first of all, I want to look at the monthly, right? Without anything, just naked monthly chart. Obviously, we broke down last month, broke below the support, and then this month we clashed right back up. Took some losses actually coming up, trying to short it, anticipating a monthly top wick to continue down, but it had me fooled. Now we're at weekly resistance. And it's very unlikely for GJ to break weekly resistance without giving some type of rejection. Is it wrong to short weekly resistance? No. Why? It's a strong zone. Like I said, it's just unlikely for GJ to continue and break a weekly support or resistance just like that. Here it took 2 weeks of breaking, and then the third week it took like 3 weeks to stay below this, and then boom, eventually it continued. Right. So this trade setup was very simple if you actually know what to do. I do have my zones in place. If you wanna learn this sauce, you're gonna have to join the Discord. I'll put the link in the description below. We'll teach you how to drop the zones, etc., etc., how to anticipate and catch very nice moves if you're patient enough. If you're not patient, this is not for you. Continue. Go, trade a different way. Anyway, back to the video. So, we tapped into the 800 right here 2 times. I missed it twice. It's fine. Who cares, right? So I told myself, I think it was yesterday or Monday or something. I told myself, well, if we come up back into this zone, I will look for an entry if the price action is right. One thing with GJ right now, it's consolidating, so you could technically just ping pong it constantly. You buy here, sell here, buy, and well, you still had a nice buy opportunity here if you played it right on right on the lower time frames. Do I suggest this? No. Why? You don't know when at times you're gonna buy or you're gonna sell, and it's gonna continue to blast up. So back to the trade idea. I had a 2% risk running on this trade. Basically, what I saw this morning was the Asian low get rated. All right, let's go to the 15. I saw the Asian low get rated here, and then get a nice little rejection. This could have been a buy. Did I take it? No. Why? It's not in my zone. Simple as that. It's just floating, right? Then you had the news push today, pushing price all the way up. Normally, after a big candle like this, you would expect like at least two more candles, at least half size to continue. But this is a trick for the future. When there's a news event and you have a big candle like this, and the next 15-minute candle prints bearish or reversing, 9 times out of 10, it's not going to continue up, right? And then also, what I've noticed on my IC markets account, there was a gap, like around, like right here. There's a gap. So I knew I had something to target, right? Also, normally what I do is, what I do, well, at the at my lines, at my zones of selling, I put a sell limit 5 pips below, but I was on the charts, so I was just purely focused on price action. Now, 15-minute candle close, and we printed what? What's this called? Call it what you want. It's a reversing candle, reversing hammer. I don't care. As long as you know what this means, it's valid. Price wicked up, and as soon as it wicked up, I entered. Right? I did 2% risk right here, and I had a 20 pip stop because why 20 pips? Normally, yeah, I could put it above structure. Why? I don't want to have such a big stop for this, right? It's not worth it, right? 20 pip stop, and then actually my first TP was right here at a 1 to 3 perfectly. So what I like to do, this is me personally, is at a 1 to 3, I like to close 1%, take 3% in the bag, and then leave the rest run to your intended targets. Now, I still currently am in this trade, and I currently do have runners, so I still have a 1% running actually. So I took another half a percent here. So if you think 3% right here plus um 2.3, right? It's a 4.3% trade plus this half percent runner. If this half percent runner, my TP initially will be down here. If it stops me out at break even, that's fine. I really don't care. It can do what it wants to do. It's at break even, it's safe. Now I just have runners. Hopefully we can get a, well, it's really going to depend on the daily close, right? Maybe tomorrow we get a wake up and a continuation down. I won't take any more trades. Why? Because I've reached my goal. Right, my goal is to make 3% a week, 3, 6, 9, 12% a month. Valid, right? So that is the trade setup. Very simple, actually. It's just important that you know how to draw the zones. Once you know how to draw the zones, man, from there it's a cakewalk, right? It's a walk in the park. You can play around with these zones and, do whatever. So that was it. Check the link down below for the Discord. Um, if you guys need any help, I'll be on there 5 days of the week, sometimes six. I'll be in there chilling, watching the charts, playing the game, whatever, etc., etc. So link will be down below. Thank you guys for tuning in. Give it a like, comment, and I hope you guys have a wonderful trading week. Peace.